Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to the replay. Hi. How are you guys? How are you? How are you? Oh my gosh, I feel like it's been forever since I've been live. I don't even know if I remember how to do it. Is that truth or is that a lie? Let's lower the volume here. Make sure this volume's all the way down. Hi, Nikki. Hi, Tammy. How are you guys? Make sure you say hello as you come in. Welcome to my Chalk Couture Live. Hi, Amity. How are you, girl? Hello, hello. Hi, Robin. Hi, Jen. Make sure you say hello when you come in. Hi, Angela. I know, long time. It's been like forever. Oh my gosh, now all my comments just came back. Hi, Robin. I know, it feels so weird to be back doing live. Like, I feel like I've been traveling for 9 bajillion years. Bajillion, like bajiggity, I think is a word. It's like bajillion. So, hi Cheryl, hi Shelly, hi Shannon, SSS, hi Gail. So I'm really excited to do a project. Like, I am exhausted. Do not let the fact that I'm actually wearing makeup fool you. I'm doing it because I'm going live and I have to get back into the mode of like, don't feel self-conscious. So, I wanted to let you know, like, I've been gone. I was in Fort Myers for Vintage Market Days. I'm living off coffee because I'm ready to pass out because I'm still exhausted. My Ray Down of the day, it's a little, I spilled some of my coffee down it, but it's scary. It's a gigantic mug. This is a 20-ounce fill, for sure. I know my wall's back. It's no longer bare, Tammy. Hi, Erica. Hi, Amber. Hey, hey, hey. So today I wanted to show you how flippin' easy and how super quick it is to create a home decor piece. Maybe that you already purchased out at a store and it just needs a little something. I want to show you how easy it is to add a Chalk Couture touch to something. So, like I said, I was at Vintage Market Days in Fort Myers, Florida. Hi, Maria. Hi, Christy. Hi, Heather. Hi, Emily. Hi, Jennifer. Hi, Jen. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Amber. Hi, Melody. Hi, Benedicta. I hope I said your name right. Thanks for joining, guys. As you're coming in, bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. I think, wait, I'm going to see. I got to get used to doing it again. I'd love it if you'd share this video. So, I know, isn't it a cute one? It's cute. It's scary. Hi, Jen. How are you, girl? Howdy, Maria. Thank you, Debbie. I am happy to be home. I miss my boys. I love that I was gone. I love that we added some new team members. So if you're new on my team and you're watching my live, hey, now I'm back in my craft room. So I did not make Master Couturier yet, Emily. My team, my hashtag anchors are amazing and they are working it. We're like 2 master mentors away from hitting Master Couturier. That's all we need. My Rockstar team has crushed every other goal. Like, I'm so blessed. I am beyond blessed. Like, blessed by chalk. It's crazy. I miss you too, Nikki. Thank you for sharing, Nikki Hopkins. Hello, Christy. Hi, Judy. So, let's do this, right? Like, I am dying. So I'm going to turn the camera to, so you guys can see me down in the bottom, which, yay, let's adjust that a smidge. There it goes. Okay. So, we were at Vintage Market Days and there are so many cute things. Like, guys, I don't know if you know, but I am trying to turn my house into a farmhouse. So I'm slowly redoing things, slow and sure. And I know poor Bran is probably like, really, can you like knock it off? And I'm like, no, I can't. So our new barnwood dining room table was delivered while I was gone. Our new coffee table and end table. They came and Bran put them together. So they look so cute. Yes! I miss you. I miss you, brother from another mother. Less than a month and I get to see you. Oh, thank you, Emily. You are so sweet. Hi, Deanna. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Jan. Hi, Ann. Did I miss anybody else? Hi, Amanda. I think I got everybody. So anyway, so how adorable is this? Now, I have zero skill. Something as super cute and easy as this, I couldn't do. But you know what I can do? I can jazz it up with some Chalk Couture. So that's what we're going to do, okay? So I'm going to show you how fast, from start to finish, this project's going to be. We're going to use the Eek Boo Spooky transfer. It's a size A. It's $9.99. You can get it in my online store. The link is right above this little PIP picture. Sister from another mister, I miss you. Debbie Manning Adams, one of my rock stars. How you doing? Oh my gosh, Ken! She better not take my place. I'm only kidding. You need that. I know you do. So, I can't wait to hear all about that. All right, so let me show you how simple this is. Now, I keep saying Chalk Couture, Chalk Couture, Chalk Couture, and you guys, if you've never watched my videos before, you might be like, what in the Sam heck is a Chalk Couture? So, let me pop this up here on screen for you guys to see while I get the two little things done. I love you too, Ken. I miss you. Hi, Linda. Hi, Lourdes. How are you guys? Hi, Karen. You're my soulmate too, Ken. I love you. Tons and tons and tons. I really need like the next 27 days to go by fast because I can't take not seeing you. We have to go and create some chaos together. Okay, so let's do this. You ready to see how quick and easy? And doesn't Chalk Couture sound super cool? It's really super cool. I can't wait to show you guys how awesome everything looks decorated downstairs in my living room. Like, I've got the cutest things, and I did my Chalk Couture to it. You know, like I jazzed it up. So it's awesome. Hi, Barb. How are you? Jan, it was awesome. We'll be talking about it tomorrow night in our team meeting. It went really, really well. I loved it. The only thing I did not like was the drive. It stunk. But here is what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. Now, see, I cleaned up my craft room and I moved my towels like a goofball. So we're going to, first and foremost, buzz up our transfer. We always want to do this, right? Hi, Wendy. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Sandy. Okay, so our transfers, these are our silk screen adhesive back reusable transfers. You can see in between the words, hopefully you can see it. It's a silk screen. These are reusable over and over and over again. 8 to 12 times is what Chalk Couture guarantees, as long as you properly take care of them. I can tell you there are some that I have used way more than that, and there are some that I literally got maybe 9 or 10 uses out of. But even still, for the price, it's crazy good. So let's do this. So we're going to do the boo on the bottom of our sweet little ghost here. Okay, easy peasy. Just, I'm adding Boo. But he's a cute little ghost, but he could be Chalk Coutured up, which will make him even cuter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir up my chalk paste. Now this black chalk paste, this is our black velvet. It is down to the bottom of the barrel, so it needs just a little help. No big deal. Isn't the cute ghost so cute, Lori? I think what it is the middle of a fence pole. Excuse me, the middle of a fence, like, you know, wood fence that you're building. That's what this is. Look. Can you guys see that in the video? That's all it is. And it's cut and painted white with some black eyes. Guys, we could do this. And then all we're going to do is add our little boo to it and tell me it's not going to be perfect. It's going to be the perfect little Halloween decoration. Now, I dipped my chalk paste into my, oops, no I didn't. I dipped my squeegee into my chalk paste. Got a little bit of black chalk paste onto it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and I am going to, oh, I did not want to do that. I forgot that I did not cut these. So some of the black may have just gone through the line. Womp womp. Well, you guys know I'm a mess, so. It's all right. It's going to be fun. So all I did was add the black chalk paste over the silk screen area. Got my excess, pulled it up. Yeah, see, I have a little black line there, but I'm going to take it right off. It's no big deal. That's the cool part about our chalk paste. It comes off with water. And there he is. Isn't he so cute? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to go add him downstairs to my other Halloween decor. Easy peasy. Hi, Christy. Hi, Becky. Hi, Margie. Hi, Christy. Hi, Maureen. Hi, Regina. How you guys doing? Okay, so let's just get this little bit of black off right here. Done. Clear it off. So if you make a mistake, it's not a big deal because you can clean it off with water. Easy peasy. Now let's dry him so he's all done. Look at that. It's Chalk Coutured up. I love it. Got my little wood ghost and added a little boo to him. Isn't he so cute? I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean my transfer. Did you cut the ghost? Archie, do you think I cut this ghost out? I can't cut a straight line. How would I cut this? No, you know what it was? It was a fence. It was a piece of a fence that they cut a portion off of it and they painted eyes. I bought it at Vintage Market D's. I thought it was so cute. It's like heavy too. I think it was $10. But I knew once I Chalk Coutured it up, it was totally going to be worth every ounce of that $10. I knew it. Hi, Jenny. So, let's clean our transfer now. Now, normally what we would do is we would put it into a little vat of water. Well, I didn't bring the water over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean it. We're going to spray some water down. And I just have my little glass mat underneath. It's a self-healing mat. It's great. And I am just going to clean it off that way. Okay. So I'm going to get all the excess black off. See it all coming off? And I'm going to dry it just because I want to. Dry the front. Now, keep in mind with some of our organic pigments, they may stain your silk screen. Does that mean it's broken? No. It means it's well loved. You can still use it. So if you notice that you have some staining on yours, it's fine. It's just because of the organic pigment. I still have fingers. You were hoping I did, Margie. Oh my gosh, you're so funny. Amanda, it is a it's just a self-healing mat. What I can do is after I'm done this, just actually just send me a message on Facebook and I will message you where I got it and what kind of glass mat it is. It's just a nice self-healing mat. And it is also nice because if I spill stuff on it, which you guys know I do constantly, it comes off. You know, it's just very easy to keep clean and maintain. So the transfer, it's all cleaned off now. All I'm going to do is let it dry. And once it's dry, I'll put it back. And look, it's already starting to get wet, like sticky again after wetting it with the what is this called? Disinfectant wipe. So I'm just going to let that fully dry. I'm going to toss my disinfectant. Oops. Did I mean to do that? Yeah, I did. I just cleaned off my squeegee with also the same disinfectant wipe. Dry it off and put it back into my container to use for next time. Easy peasy. I love this. That's why I love Chalk Couture. It's so crazy easy. Hi, Susan Tapley. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Timmy. Hi, Belinda. Hi, Amanda Jo. Hi, Catherine. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Kelly. Hi, Tanya. Hi, Ashley. Hello, hello. Hi, Stephanie. Hi, ladies. So, that's my project. Easy flippin' peasy. Now I can go put it downstairs with the rest of my decor. Love it. So, let me take a sip of coffee because I'm ready to start choking again. It's so good. Starbucks Holiday Blend. I still have some left from one of my old designers who was kind enough to send me a few boxes of them because she knew how much I loved it. And her husband, I think he owned a Starbucks or something. So I still think of you and I still love you. I won't say your name because of all the stuff that you have going on, but I miss you and love you. Hi, Belinda. How are you? Hi, Betsy. Hi, Christine. So yeah, this was my project. Crazy easy. I jazzed up a little home decor piece. I can't say any more about how easy it is. Took me, what, 2 minutes? Not even? Done. Time to go add to the decorations. So, let's see. So I hope you guys enjoyed that project. Very quick, very easy. Now, if you did enjoy the project that I just did, and you can see yourself doing it, and you say, you know what, I'd like to purchase that transfer and that chalk piece because I have some really awesome ideas. Why don't you comment me down below and I will message you the link to my VIP group where you can see specials, you can see constant content, you can go back and find my videos from back July, I think 16th or 17th of 2017 was the first video I did. You can find it all in there. I I try to offer a lot of different content and a lot of stuff in my VIP group. You'll even get public thank yous when, public shout out thank yous in my VIP group once you place an order as well. Secondly, if you saw this project and you're like, oh my gosh, I could see myself doing this. I would love to be a designer with Chalk Couture. I would love to make an amazing income. I would love to grow a team and help other women achieve things and goals that they have in their life. I would love to make my own home decor and get a great discount with it. I would love to offer sip and chalk classes and meet other women and go out and have fun helping them make their own home decor. Comment join down below. And I will message you the link to my opportunity group. I actually have another live opportunity webinar, I guess you could say via Facebook Live in my opportunity group this Sunday, September 30th at 7:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. No current designers, please, unless you are on my team. I'm sorry, but it's one of my team perks. So, hi Joyce, how are you? Thank you, Erica. Hi, Anna. Hi, Joyce. Hi, Becky. So that is it, guys. I'm going to go decorate with my sweet little ghost, my sweet little boo ghost. And I will get a picture up to show you it. I hope you loved my project. I may even come back with a bonus project tonight because I am dying to be chalking. I'm definitely going to be using my scroll saw for one of the things that I want to do. Oh, there's my sage. Did you hear me that I want to use my scroll saw tonight? Look, you could probably make this super quick and easy. Not this girl. I had to buy it. But I added my boo. I love you, Sage. I'm so proud of you. Miss Sage just hit Master Mentor this month, so she is a rock star. Hi, Kim. How are you? So that's it. That's my project today. I told you it would be like 2 minutes, and all my yapping was 17 minutes. So, I mean, you could do this in a second. But that's it. So Eek Boo Scary, black chalk paste, and a small squeegee is all it took to create this piece. I hope you guys enjoyed my project. And, oh! I broke my goat. No, I didn't break him. He just fell. I hope you enjoyed my project. And like I said, I may be back for another project because I'm dying to be chalky some more. I missed chalking my own projects. Sure, I demoed for like 7 days. But I need to do some more home decor pieces. I like need it. So, oh, you're adorable, Sage. All right, guys. Well, I will talk to you later. Thanks so much for joining me. And, oh, also, if you... I'll be back live in like just a second if you want to jump back on again because I got to do I got to do another little something. So maybe I'll see a few of you in a little bit, okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye.